Hi, this is Engineer Hedaetullah from School of Civil Engineering. Okay, now we'll provide our stirrup rebar for our that I'll search here by writing starter. Okay, so I'll write here by writing starter. Now they have two options: starter bar for footing and starter bar for pillar. Okay, so which one you need? Actually, it's depend on you. Which one is need? It's totally depend on you that which one you need. So I will use starter bar for footing. I'll just simply click here. Otherwise, you can select that option starter bar for pillar. No problem actually. So I'll click on it, and it's telling us pick object. So I'll pick that object and see here. This is our starter bar. Now they have an issue that our starter bar is outside of our pillar. Okay, so this is a issue. Now how we'll just recover that and how we'll do it? Actually, I'll close it and I'll right click and click interrupt, and if I just click here, okay, or if I double click here, just see what was the size of our that beam. That was 10 feet 10 inch into 10 inch. Clear? So I'll just close it. I'll right click interrupt, and I'll double click on our that starter bar. I'll double click here. Now here we'll change our that value. Okay, so if you see here, so this is the overall picture. I'll just go bottom cover. Okay, I'll just go here for bottom cover. Now actually there's the location. We'll click here location. So what should be the value of it? Okay, so I'll just provide here 10 inch, 0 feet and 10 inch. Clear? 0 feet and 10 inch, and here also I'll provide here 0 feet and here 10 inch as per our column size. Okay, so as per our column size, and here also you can provide that value. At this time I'm not going to provide that value anymore, and they have more option. Okay, how will provide stirrup for you that starter bar. Clear? So when it's done, now you can click here modify. Just see, it's just move inside here. Okay, now if you just go bottom cover here, bottom cover. So what should be the bottom cover? Actually, you can maintain here. Also you can maintain here, or you can take it same default. Okay, you can take it default and has the overall picture, and here is the number of actually here the stirrup spacing. Okay, here stirrup spacing, and also you can change it. Also you can change it as per your requirement. So this is the way to do that. Okay, so in this way actually we are able to do that. And also what will be the height of it? What will be the height of your starter bar? You can also provide here. Suppose if you provide a 3.6 feet, 3.6 feet. Okay, and here if you provide 3.6 feet, for that it's totally depend on you. And here the bar size, you can, by clicking here, you can also change it as per your requirement. As you can select grade, you can select the size of that bar. Clear? So I will just, and also this is okay. Okay, also this is okay. And actually this is the procedure to complete our work. In this way we can do, or we can provide that. And also they have a startup. You can also use that option. Then location, already have discussed about that, how we'll define our location. Okay, and also you can come here for bottom cover. So what will be the bottom cover? Actually you have to calculate that bottom cover from that bottom to, I mean 2 bar, and above 2 bar it will be placed. Just if you just come here, and you can see that this value is not okay because they have some overlapping with it. Now what can we do that? I can also increase little bit. If I provide here 4.5 inch. And if I click here modify, just see it's okay, right? Now it's okay. Now you can see here it's okay. So this is the way to complete your work actually. So thank you for very much staying with me. This is Engineer Hedaetullah, and if you want to support us, then join as a member in our channel. So thank you very much.